Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss the news of XRP and price prediction. But before we start, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, and if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before leaving. Also hit that bell icon so that you can get notified whenever we will upload a new video. For now, let's get back to the video straight away.
You want to win an iPhone 12, maybe a MacBook Pro. How about $500 cash? You decide. All you have to do is comment the secret hidden message somewhere in this video and leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel so we can keep affording these giveaways.
RippleX, Ripple's developer arm, has announced its first wave of XRPL grants to promote its development. The grant offers to fund developers building XRP ledger-based projects. The focus of the latest grant was on development of non-fungible tokens, NFTs. According to a statement, RippleX has chosen 25 applicants from 10 different countries and awarded them $2 million. In a blog, the developers elaborated, "In this first wave, more than 100 grant proposals were submitted. And from this, an incredible batch of applicants, 25 grantees have been awarded nearly $2 million in value. Among the guarantees are individual developers and teams from more than 10 countries around the world. Out of the select few, 3 were part of Ripple's University Blockchain Research Initiative. Interestingly, this was not the first time Ripple has focused on NFTs. It had long realized the potential of NFTs and has been working to get them on the XRP ledger. In May, RippleX proposed additional functionality to offer enhanced NFT support on the XRP. The team also highlighted that XRPL could encourage developers to run more substantial NFT apps and marketplaces. For many, minting NFTs implies significant costs. However, according to RippleX, XRP could ease it, with the team noting, "Thankfully, the XRP ledger was built to be more cost-efficient, scalable blockchain, and its coming federated sidechains aim to prevent the potential risk of clogging the network as NFT transactions take off." Meanwhile, to promote sustainability, XRPL's consensus process for validating transactions can be helpful. As per the team, it consumes negligible amounts of energy and is 120,000 times more efficient than proof-of-work networks. While the alleged negative impact of Bitcoin mining has been highlighted far and wide over the past few years, a concerted effort has been made to make mining more environmentally friendly. Therefore, Ripple's push to promote its ledger over POW and POS is also to beat the competition. However, Bitcoin and Ethereum continue to be among the leading cryptocurrencies in the world. Nevertheless, Ripple CTO David Schwartz believes that XRPL will deliver a unique combination of low-cost, high-speed, and good payment features needed to streamline NFT creation at scale. In particular, Schwartz has also highlighted the shortcomings of Ethereum blockchain and Binance Smart Chain in maintaining consistent transaction fees. As transaction fees have remained a pain point for buyers and sellers, Ripple's move to tackle these issues could place XRP in an advantageous position. However, this is all theory, and the competition will be proved once XRPL announces the first NFT. On the other hand, the latest update in the XRP lawsuit saw the defendants file a letter appealing the addition of 3 documents to be reviewed in camera based on a privilege log provided by the SEC after the August 31st, 2021 telephone conference. These documents also include an email chain that potentially discards the SEC's former "just an opinion" argument regarding the 2018 Hinman speech and furthers Ripple's fair notice stance. Ripple asserted that the 3 documents could be highly relevant to this case if they are added to the trail of the belatedly produced privilege log. The first 2 documents are regarding SEC meetings with law firms, discussing the unprecedented confusion in the market regarding the SEC's view on the status of digital assets under federal securities law. The third and last evidence possesses an email chain displaying discussions with a third party that highlights SEC's confusion regarding the legal structure of securities. The defense also highlighted that if this privilege log had been provided before Ripple filed its first motion to seal the series, then Ripple must have added it to Appendix A. Furthermore, the defendants also asked the plaintiffs to voluntarily add the 3 mentioned documents to the September 14th submission to the court. Ripple claimed that the SEC ignored the defendants' request and filed its brief. Later, the SEC denied submission, arguing the defendants' request, quote, "absent a specific directive from the court." Earlier this month, Ripple strengthened its fair notice argument with the reveal of the first request for admissions, number 99, to the SEC. The document confirmed that the SEC never informed any third parties that XRP was a security until the lawsuit was filed. This information was made an official admission in the case. The XRP lawsuit is currently at a stage where Ripple's legal counsel is betting on the former SEC director William Hinman's speech from 2018. Ripple has accused the SEC of giving Ether, the second largest cryptocurrency, a free pass, which is quite similar to XRP conducting an ICO as well. On the other hand, SEC claims Hinman gave that speech in his personal capacity and it cannot be used as a defense against the agency. The XRP community is considered one of the strongest crypto communities out there, and they have unearthed a number of documents and speeches made by SEC executives during 2018 after Hinman's speech to prove that SEC did give Ethereum a free pass. The XRP community also accused the SEC of personal gains from the decision. In the latest development of the XRP lawsuit, Ripple has filed a motion to examine 3 additional documents for in-camera review based on a privilege log provided by the SEC after the August 31st, 2021 telephone conference, including an email chain. The email chain in question reportedly shows that the SEC asked third parties to use Hinman's speech to analyze digital assets. This is quite a big revelation given that the SEC has claimed that Hinman's speech was made in his personal capacity. The XRP community is quite certain that Ripple would win the case given the glaring evidence and number of lies that the SEC has told during the ongoing lawsuit. And now let's see the price prediction of XRP. September was not kind to XRP. Pressured by multiple mini crashes during the month, XRP's 30-day ROI slipped to over 12%. With little interest from retail traders, XRP was unable to keep up the pace with some of its other counterparts. However, a falling wedge pattern hoped to inject some signs of life into the dull market. At the time of this video production, XRP traded at 93 cents, up by 2.6% over the last 24 hours. On September 7th, XRP began taking shape within a falling wedge pattern, a setup which normally triggers an upwards breakout. Now, before realizing such an outcome, it was important to understand the current dynamics of the market. XRP traded below its 200 SMA, green, which was an increasingly bearish sign. Furthermore, more of its indicators were under bearish control. Combined with a weak broader market, XRP was up for some more losses before a breakout could be expected. These losses could extend towards the 75 to 78 cent support, which would warrant a strong reaction from buyers. Any move below this would lead to further bleeding. For bullish traders, a breakout could be expected once XRP shows signs of a reversal between 75 cents and 78 cents. A rebound on strong volumes would heighten chances of a comeback towards the $1 mark. Price ceilings of $1.05, $1.12, and $1.30 would then be challenged. XRP's RSI has been weakening since mid-August based on the sloping trend line. The RSI would extend to lower levels before reversing trajectory. The bearish twin peak on the Awesome Oscillator also dragged the index before its half-line, while the MACD did not fare too well either. Each of these readings attracted more sellers, exposing XRP to further losses. Based on mentioned factors, XRP would continue to shed its value in the oncoming days. However, a support zone of 75 to 78 cents was XRP's best bet to trigger an upwards breakout from its falling wedge. This would pave the way for a comeback above $1 and possibly to $1.29 in an extreme bullish scenario. That's it for today, guys. We will see you next time. Until then.